Like he doesn't even know why he's on the box.
Yeah.
He's like, wait, I'm in Rio?
Someone's asking him a very complicated question.
All the cheap ones were bought out, and those that were left. Oh, come on, you gotta do that in front of me.
Manual recording.
Why do you people need to do this shit when I'm talking to myself?
We were both, Luke and I were in South.
This was the helmet that could have been, but never was. It was supposed to be a DLC helmet to be included in the Defiant map pack.
Manual recording will now start.
Ah, so that's the airlock. A Sierra game would never stop you from spacing yourself by pressing the wrong button. Of the videos. I was asking for $500 to make that happen.
And the other was
Instead received
handmade at a
about
premium of
$18,000.
at a total of
Holy
$1,000.
crap. In fact, I don't want anyone to feel like they have to donate. You don't owe me anything. This here is just the last.
And he's like, what the fuck is this? So his first instinct is to try and peel his skin off his face.
Also, with the Halo 4 visor, there's a bunch of random words and letters that are scattered across the screen. Things that you really can't read unless you get real close.
Jesus,
your
Manual recording will now start.
That would make sense. Like maybe the Covenant had started speaking in English and there was never translators involved, and then they switched back. It wouldn't make any sense for them to. He gave us the signal. We jumped off the map and lost temperature.